Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a knee raise variation. Reach through one arm as you lift through the opposite leg. Continue moving at your own pace, sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly while drawing your navel slightly in and up. Feeling this action awaken your center. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, raise your arms out to your sides with your palms facing upwards. Begin to gently glide from right to left, gradually increasing your range of motion, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Release and return to center, moving into a side leg lift variation. Sitting tall, clasp your hands to the sides of your chair. Begin to alternate lifting one leg up, then out to the side and back to center, flowing from right to left. Continue moving at your own pace, working to keep your navel back towards your spine, strengthening through your hip flexors, your core, and quadriceps, while creating more mobility through your hips. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, lift both legs up, out to the side, and back to center. Continue with this movement, keeping your chest lifting and your spine long, with your navel back towards your spine, resting when you need to. Release and return to center, moving into an energizing knee raise variation. Begin to lift your knees from right to left, adding a toe tap in between, gradually increasing your range of motion, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. For more of a challenge, draw both knees in towards your chest and lower, adding a toe tap. Continue with this movement, keeping your chest lifting and your spine long, strengthening through your hip flexors and quadriceps while activating your deep core muscles. Release and return to center, moving into a leg lift variation. Clasp your hands to the seat of your chair. Extend both your legs forward, keeping your spine straight and your core engaged. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. Begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left, keeping your legs straight and strong, moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while toning through your lower abs. Adding on, begin to alternate lifting one leg up, out to the side, and back to center, Repeating on the opposite leg. Continue flowing from right to left, gradually increasing your range of motion, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Pausing at center, draw both knees in towards your chest. Adding a bicycle movement, begin to pedal your legs, drawing one knee in towards your chest as you extend through the opposite leg. Keep both legs elevated with your chest lifting and your navel back towards your spine, working through your abdominal muscles while toning and strengthening through your hamstrings and quadriceps. Release and return to center. Moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. And on your exhale, round your spine, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, flowing at your own pace. Adding on, inhale, lift through your heart, sweeping your arms open wide, and on your exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, coiling your navel back, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, creating more space and ease through your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, abdomen, and spine. Release and return to center, moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, reach your left hand to your right leg, rotating your torso to the right, placing your right hand behind you for support. Continue here, or to deepen this stretch, cross your right leg over your left, gently pressing your left arm into your right leg, using it as added leverage, aiding your left side body in coming around to the right, deepening this twist. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, reach your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Continue here, or cross your left leg over your right, gently pressing your right arm into your left leg, using it as added leverage, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Unwind and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.